In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Microsoft Project to PDF. If you need to share a schedule with teammates, print a clean snapshot of your plan, or send an update to someone who doesn't have Microsoft Project installed, exporting to PDF is a quick and reliable way to go. Start by opening your project in Microsoft Project Standard, Professional, or the desktop client. Head to the File tab in the top left corner to open the Backstage view. From the menu on the left, choose Export. You'll see an option called Create PDF/XPS document. Select that, then click the Create PDF XPS button to begin. A dialog box appears where you can choose a folder, enter a clear file name, and confirm that Save as Type is set to PDF. Pick a location you'll remember and use a descriptive name, like the project name plus a date, so it's easy to find later. Before you publish, you can fine-tune what goes into the PDF by clicking Options. This is helpful if you only want certain pages, a specific date range, or a particular view, like the Gantt chart or timeline, to be included. When you're satisfied with the selections, click Publish to generate and save the PDF. What you get is a static snapshot of your project's tasks, timelines, and charts that anyone can open on any device. If you prefer working from the print area, there's an alternative that behaves just like printing, but sends the output to a PDF file. Go to File, then Print. Under Printer, choose Microsoft Print to PDF or another PDF printer you have installed. While you're there, set the paper orientation. For most Gantt charts, landscape usually provides better readability by giving your timeline more horizontal space. When everything looks right in the preview, select Print, enter a file name when prompted, and click Save. The result is a PDF that mirrors what you would have sent to a physical printer. Both methods produce a shareable, portable file that preserves your project's layout and formatting. The export route is great when you want to control what's included through options, while print to PDF is perfect if you're already reviewing print settings and want a quick save to PDF. Either way, you'll have a clean, professional snapshot of your plan ready to send, store, or print whenever you need it.